Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make South Indian style ash gourd recipe with coconut, curry leaves and cumin paste. For making this recipe I took half of a medium size onion, peeled the onion, then slice the onion into thin pieces. Knead the onion with your hand to separate the rings. I have taken 3 green chili, cut off the tip and bottom and then slit lengthwise. Keep aside. I have taken 1/4 part of a medium size ash gourd. Cut the ash gourd into big pieces. Then peel off the skin. Some people like to add the ash gourd skin because it's edible and very nutritious. I have not removed the seed. Firstly, cut the ash gourd into thin and long slices and then cut into small pieces. Keep aside the ash gourd pieces. Now I will prepare a paste of curry leaves, red chili, ginger, cumin seed. Add 2 teaspoons soaked cumin seed in a grinder jar along with some coconut pieces, curry leaves, red chili, ginger pieces, some water, and then blend into smooth paste. Turn on the heat, put a earthen pot, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon Masala seed. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant, then add the sliced onion. Over medium heat, saute the onion slices until it translucent, then add the slit green chili. I like to make this recipe in an earthen pot because when we use an earthen pot, the vegetable cooks with steam evenly. Stir for few minutes over medium heat. No need to make it brown. Then add the ash gourd pieces. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Cover the pot with a lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, open the lid and stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes over high heat. Then make some space in the middle of the pot and add the previously prepared paste of cumin seed, curry leaves, red chili, ginger and coconut. Cover this paste with this vegetable so that cooking process will be first. Put a lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium to low heat. Vegetable releases lots of water. Cook until the water is dry up and the masala is well cooked. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes over high heat. Our ash gourd recipe is ready for serving. It's a South Indian style recipe. Serve this recipe with rice or chapati. Thanks for watching.